Well, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your phone, your Xiaomi phone, and also add more RAM. So you can see I'm using memory extension. This will allow me to add 4 gigabytes of extra RAM on here. So if I go back, this is going to be called memory extension, or it could be like something with the RAM in it. So we can go to the top right and go to settings right here, and just type in memory extension right here, and it should pop up. And here's memory extension, and you can increase your RAM by 4. So go to 4 gigabytes, or it could be even higher on your phone. Now it could be called something like something else, like RAM or something, absolute RAM or something. I don't know. Just type in RAM and see if there's any option to increase your RAM storage on here. Now I can look at my detailed info and specs. So you can see I have 4 gigabytes plus 4 gigabytes of RAM. And it'll say RAM extension is turned on. So you can see I have extra 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is great. If you only have 4 gigabytes, your phone will be a lot more responsive now. So just go ahead and check that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.